Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Coach Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu ikhulume ngoLucas Ribeiro ukuhamba kwakhe ukuthi kuba affect kangakanani. Sokhuluma nange-future kaThemba Zwane laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Sikhulume ngama-new signing uResinho, new chapter yakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Well, iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu obviously edume ngokuthi beyisayina ama-South American but guess what? Manje seyifuna ama-player wasePortugal. Baqale ngalo dlala eBrazil manje lo bedlala ePortugal naye but ukulona eBrazil abakwazanga ukumthola yena bayi-rejectile iMamelodi Sundowns i-30 something million manje kanti bazothola uNuno Santos bathola noResinho. Yeah, so asiqale phansi kahle bafethu singayiki phezulu. Coach Mamelodi Sundowns beyikhuluma ne-media overall ukhulume ngokuthi uLucas Ribeiro uhambile nanokuthi-ke kuhamba kwaLucas Ribeiro kuba affecta kangakanani. Nawa amagama straight ngimquote straight uMiguel Cardoso ukuthi uthini. Uthe ukuhamba kwaLucas Ribeiro uthi uLucas Ribeiro bekuyiplayer elikwaziyo ukusolva inkinga laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns yedwa bafowethu. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini? Chaza ukuthi uLucas Ribeiro une-creativity yakhe, une-flair yakhe, i-finishing, bekwazi ukulifta iMamelodi Sundowns kuma-tight games la kunzima khona kakhulu. Masingabuyela kuma-flashback uLucas Ribeiro washaya amagoli awu-2 against Orlando Pirates. Single-handed khona lela suka nale center wabashiya bonke bafuthu wahamba nabo walishiya phakathi. So iplayer leli elibe nama-moments of brilliance amaningi as an individual, so bayalikhumbula kakhulu iflair yakhe ne-creativity yakhe ukuthi bake benzelani overall. Uyasho ukuthi so obviously without uLucas Ribeiro step back for iMamelodi Sundowns kumele vele ba-rebuild yet again. That is why beku-difficult for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bavele bamhambise nje uLucas Ribeiro because bayasazi isikhala ashiyayo laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Yeah man, it's very difficult for ukuthi bavele bamdedele umfowethu uLucas Ribeiro ukuthi ahambe kalula, but bamdedelanga ukuthi hambele ngenkani yakhe. But sisiqedelele overall ukuthi utheni uMiguel Cardoso ngoLucas Ribeiro. Uthi uLucas Ribeiro bekakwazi ukusolva inkinga yedwa. Uthi amagemini afana nalawa we-Golden Arrows la iMamelodi Sundowns beku-difficult khona. uLucas Ribeiro bekazokwazi ukuba i-difference maker. Kusho ukuthi uLucas Ribeiro bekazokwazi uku-inspire i-team yena nje ngama-moments of brilliance wakhe. But uthi ngeke bakwazi ukuphila ku-past, kumele bafocuse ku-future obviously and then ba-welcome lama-player lawa amasha and then bazame ukuthi lama-player lawa amasha akwazi ngempela uku-adapta kahle, bakwazi ukudevelopha overall as a team. Uthi uLucas Ribeiro ubaphe ama-memories amahle kakhulu, but-ke manje they're building for the future. Wahamba madoda uLucas Ribeiro. uLucas Ribeiro masikhuluma iqiniso bafethu ugqilazile ebholeni lase-South Africa. Gqilaze too much, hhayi kancane. Ama-teams waseSoweto nje ayakhala ngaye. Bekashaya i-Orlando Pirates ashaye ne-Kaizer Chiefs. We all felt the pain from uLucas Ribeiro. Akadlali bafowethu. But-ke what a player bafowethu, what a brilliant player. Asingeneni one of the most iconic figures in South African football, Themba Mshishi Zwane. Ama-injuries bafowethu, ama-speculations or ama-rumors aphumayo laphana ukuthi possibly sekanama-injury obvious amaningi. iMamelodi Sundowns vele ayisana-trust that much. This could be the end, despite ukuthi usayine i-contract renewal laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke maybe abasamboni as i-part yeMamelodi Sundowns. Why kushiwo kanje noma kuphuma iy'ndaba ezikanje bafowethu? As a team you have to build a solid team ngabantu abakhona aba-present overall laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So you cannot build a team around umuntu on and off or umuntu ozoba nama-injuries amaningi. Inkinga yomuntu onama-injuries amaningi bafowethu ukuthi you are building a team, you are building a momentum, then yena uyalimala and then sokumele niphinde nilinde yena yet again ukuthi abuye futhi. By the time laba sebagain i-momentum sokumele ukhiphe labafowethu abanye, ufake lo muntu lo bengekho amanye ama-player amawalwa. So they can't build around uThemba Zwane if loku uyalimala. Na last season bamlindile and beba-hesitate ukumnika i-contract renewal overall, but-ke ekugcineni bakwazi ukumnika i-contract. But manje i-patience yabo obvious nabo bayabona ukuthi ngathi kuzoba difficult ngempela. Usayine i-renewal i-1 year contract laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke asiyazi ukuthi uya-iconic in terms of like uyi-soul of iMamelodi Sundowns laphana ku-dressing room. Abaningi bayamthemba ngempela, but-ke that thing is slowly fading away because of ama-injuries. Umthemba kwabo kilo-ke uyehla bafowethu kancane kancane. I mean uyi-legendary South African football ama-moments wakhe laphana ku-CAF Champions League ngeke siwakhohlwe, ku-P_S_L as a whole ngeke siwakhohlwe, kuBafana Bafana uke wagqilaza iNigeria le iNigeria uThemba Zwane a-inspire iBafana Bafana ukuthi ishaye iNigeria. I mean iplayer leli elibaluleke kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. But-ke I mean out of i-loyalty for uThemba Zwane iMamelodi Sundowns sobona ukuthi izodila kanjani ne-whole situation. But-ke I mean bazoqala babe nama-doubts ngempela ukuthi bangamthemba because I mean umuntu hhayi ukuthi olimala ngoba bamthintile manje uvele ahlalele phansi uThemba Zwane ama-hamstring or yini kuba nje nezinto laphana kusho ukuthi they can't have him kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Maybe bazomcreate-ela something behind the scenes sobona overall. Obviously-ke yeah, I mean ku-step aside if they can say they use lento le abayisebenzise ku-Orlando Pirates captain bathi retire, abashongo ukuthi retire bathi asekho isikhala sakhe lapha in terms of ukudlala, but they can create something behind the scenes overall. I mean i-leadership yakhe, i-creativity yakhe, calmness under pressure, amanye ama-qualities Themba Mshishi Zwane umuntu obaluleke ngempela, but akhona amanye ama-players already sewa-ready aphakamisa izandla ukuthatha isikhundla saThemba Zwane. I mean mawubheka laphana ku-midfield ukuthi kunama-players angakanani Mamelodi Sundowns maningi kakhulu, and lama-player they are forever present but abanye abathola ama-opportunities okudlala, plus nama-player already manje abawasayinile. Yabona ukuthi kugcwele ngempela laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but sobona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns is already maybe sebaqalile ukuplana i-life without uThemba Zwane, yeah, or maybe basamthemba ukuthi anga-contribute kuma-games amancane, but-ke ngeke asaba i-major draw, i-major contributing factor eMamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, even if you are the biggest star ethimini, but they have to start planning ngaphandle kwakho if nawe uney'nkinga zakho. Mamelodi Sundowns i-announce iplayer elisha bafethu Risinho, if ngilisho kahle, Miguel Silva Risinho laphana wase-Portugal. Obviously kubonakala ngathi introduction yakhe bafethu mawuyibheka kahle kunoNuno Santos, kunayo Risinho wakhona, bowu-two babuye ePortugal, coach iMamelodi Sundowns ubuye ePortugal. Maybe midfielder yakhe uzoyimodela around lama-players lawo, kuzosacrifice-iwa obaningi. Yabona ukuthi khona abangeke basayithola i-game time lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns kaze wobani, but we wait and see. Sibone uMiguel Risinho yena ukuthi ufitha kiphi i-position kahle ngoba une-bit of versatility ukuthi ucoach uzomdlalisa yiphi i-position, or uzo-replace uTeboho Mokoena. uTeboho Mokoena kumele balweke manje amajita bafowethu, kumele kuliwe ngempela because lama-players lawa aletha experience yaku-Premier League yase-Portugal. I mean la kudlala khona abo-Porto, Benfica, abo-Sporting CP, ama-teams nje ngempela akhompithayo laphana ku-UEFA Champions League, ku-Europa nasebholeni eliphezulu overall lasemhlabeni. So kumele basebenze kanzima kakhulu laphana oMokoena bafethu, hhayi kuzoba nzima. I mean obviously uRisinho uletha laphana European experience kuMamelodi Sundowns njengoba bagijimisa laphana i-CAF Champions League. I mean mawukompera, okay, njengoba basayine omunye uNuno Santos, obviously abantu bazokhompera bona labadlali laba nabo-Lucas Ribeiro, but coach iMamelodi Sundowns seshilo ukuthi singakhomperi ama-player. uLucas Ribeiro akafani namanye ama-player, nalama-player aletha ama-qualities wabo or ama-characteristics wabo, but-ke ukubakhompera that's not fair at all bafethu. Lucas Ribeiro uhambile, Themba Zwane udila ngama-injuries, ama-new signings abuye e-Europe. Well, Mamelodi Sundowns, this could be the end of i-dominance yabo or kuzoba i-evolution again, i-dominance ivele iqale phansi. Msebenzi kaMiguel Cardoso on the line if akenzi izinto zenzeke for iMamelodi Sundowns adeliver. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe, simaking sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.